To look up calls in Athena Mobile, select on the lookup icon located on your toolbar. You will notice on the left you have a variety of ways to look up calls. On your right, you have call for services already populated. These are either going to be calls that you were dispatched to or calls that you have viewed since checking into service on mobile. In this example, we're going to type in a call for service number. You do not have to type in the complete number. We'll look up call for service number 40, select search, and call for service number 40 will populate on your right. To look at the call, simply select on the magnifying glass icon. In this example, we will look up calls according to a date range. We have entered in the date range, select search, and the calls will populate on your right. You also have the option to look up calls according to the location. You can either enter in the physical address or premise name. In this example, we will enter in the name of a business, select search, and the calls within this date range at this business will populate on the right. Another feature under call lookup is the district review. On the bottom right, select district review. The district review page will load. At the top, you'll notice a time frame that you can enter in. We will enter in the last 5 days. You can enter in the agency. This, for example, would be if you wanted to view calls by fire department. You can also view calls according to the officer or according to the district. If you would like to view calls but want to exclude certain call types such as traffic stops, we will select next to traffic stops, select search, and then the calls will be loaded on the right. If you want to view these calls on a map, select plot results, and these call types will be plotted onto your map.